until 150 M. So that is on a per contract basis, Your Honor. So every time they bid, they're only allowed to bid for a project until 150 M.
Chairman, I think the question of Senator Bato, with a company having a 250,000 paid up capital, that very minuscule amount paid up capital doesn't come into the picture in issuing a categorization for her license. Wala bang bearing yun? Yun ang tanong niya.
Your Honor, the basis of financial of a worth of a company is based on its net worth. Yeah. Its net worth in 2019 was 39,484,000. Yeah. Now, the 250,000 pertains to their corporation. Until now, they don't have a license for their corporation.
What do you mean? What corporation? You don't...
Samidan, Your Honor.
Samilan?
Yeah.
Walang lisensya ito?
No, they have sole proprietorship, Your Honor. They do not have a license for their corporation. Is that correct?
Full pack.
Okay.
So you are saying that even a sole proprietorship can be given license by DPCAM,
Yes, Your Honor. There is no prohibition.
notwithstanding the fact that the company has only 250,000 paid up capital, according to Senator Bato. First of all, what is the category of your license?
If I may explain it po.
Hindi, anong category, di ba?
General Engineering A. But we are not using the corporation po. We are using the sole proprietorship. The corporation.
Yeah, I think that's very clear already. Wala pa kayong lisensya. So ang ginagamit yung sole proprietorship. Ang tinatanong namin, ano pong category ng inyong lisensya?
It's registered at PICA as General Engineering A po.
A.
A po, yes.
So pagka A po kayo, ang allowable range of contract is only 300 million. Tama?
Walang maupuan.
Sir, nakakabit po kami according to experience and according to sa sinabi.
Doesn't matter kasi merong merong range eh.
Yes.
Kapag ka quadruple A ka or triple A up to large B, merong yan eh. That will be 450 billion. Ngayon ang tinatanong kasi Senator Bato sa nakikita ko, nakakakuha ka ba more than or up to 300 billion?
Ay, hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi, kasi lalabas ito.
Yes.
You are under oath kapag napatunayan na with your category A, nakakuha ka ng more than 300 million, then you will be charged lying, baka makontempt ka. So, nakakasiguro ka na hindi ka nakakuha ng 300 million?
Isang single project po yun, Your Honor.
Di ba yun ang usapan, Mr. Chair?
Yes, sir. For a category A contractor with an equivalent size range,
So,
they
ang
can pay up
sinasabi
to
niya, hindi siya nakakakuha ng more than 300 million. Tama?
Na single project po, Your Honor.
Senator, but
Yeah, but just be sure, ma'am, kasi within a span of 3 years, 5.022 billion. Pag i-detalyahin natin yan, baka mamaya may lalabas dyan na more than 300. I'm just questioning you.
kasi pag ang ginawa mo, bin-recap mo, ito yung splitting of contract. Halimbawa, 500 million. Ang ginawa mo in cahoots with the DPWH district engineer, 100, 100, 100. O, in-split mo yung contract. Then you were able to circumvent the law. So, you have to be very careful. Baka sinasabi mo per contract. Oo nga, pero in-split ninyo because malalaman po namin yun. In the end, you will be confronted with the reality na nagsinungaling po kayo dito. Kasi sinasabi namin kanina pa, yung totohanan lang. So, wala kayong in-split na contract?
Wala po, Your
O
Honor.
sige, tingnan natin. Senator
Yeah, Mr. Chair, according to records, ma'am, you have 58 flood control projects totaling to 5.022 billion. So, siguruhin po ninyo na out of the 58, walang lampas sa 300 to. Otherwise, 58 flood control projects. Dali ka.
Mati.
5 billion.
5 billion divided by 58.
Oh, let me help you, madam.
Thank you, Your Honor.
2024, ilan po ang flood control projects ninyo? 2024, last year.
I'm not aware po sa numbers, but from since 20...
Hindi po kita matutulungan kung hindi nyo alam.
Yeah.
2024, ilan po yung projects ninyo? Lahat.
Sa flood control projects po, from 2022 to 20...
Hindi nga 2024 lang, para sandali lang tayo.
I cannot recall for... I cannot
O ngayon, 2025, ilan ang pinoprosecute ninyong flood control projects?
Sa ngayon pong 2025, wala pong na-award
Wala kayong project ngayon.
sa flood control po, Your Honor.
2024, hindi mo ma-recall.
Yes, what I prepared is only from 2022 to 2025 that we have 58 flood control projects for Your Honor.
Were you able to execute several projects at the same time? Halimbawa, sa isang taon, 10 ang inyong ginagawa. Pwede ba yun?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay. Sabi na lang natin 10 ang projects nyo in 2024. Ilan pong technical people ang hawak ninyo to dedicate them sa 10 projects which you were executing all at the same time?
We have several people po.
I'm not talking about several people. I'm talking about technical people and technical equipment. Each project must have dedicated personnel.
We
Project A, for example, meron kang 5 na engineers dyan. Iba-iba ang katungkulan yan. Hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yon sa ibang project. O 10 yun. Sabi kanina, inamin mo, there are 10 simultaneous projects being undertaken by your company. Ang ibig mo sabihin, kung 5 tao yon, meron ka 50 engineers.
may organizational chart po na nakalagay doon.
Madam, I'm not talking of the organizational structure. We're talking about your ability to execute 10 projects at the same time. Lalong-lalo na, yung iba nasa Mindanao, yung iba nasa Cebu, yung iba nasa Baguio, isa sa Batangas. You cannot do that. Otherwise, magsisinungaling ka dito. Kasi malalaman po natin ito. Kaya ganito yung pagtatanong namin.